Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Scotiabank line of credit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply get into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first, access Scotiabank on your phone browser right there. Once you have typed in scotiabank.com on top, you will land on their official website where you're gonna simply sign in as well. Afterwards, you're going to tap on this three horizontal line, aka menu icon on top right corner of the screen, which will access this particular menu. Here you're going to go ahead, tap on this credit cards option below this bank accounts. Once you have tapped on it, it will show you all of the card types, services, resources, protection. Choose the menu for the credit card especially. All you have to do afterwards is tap on this card types over here. And now you can see, now you have this option of student credit cards, all the credit card lines that the Scotiabank specially offers for you to apply for. Now we're simply going to go ahead and choose one for you. Let's say we want to go for student credit card. We're going to tap on that particular one, and now it will simply open another tab for you where you can see student and get reward with the extra. Choose the credit card that's right for you. You're going to go ahead, choose the one that you would want. Let's say if this is the one, make sure to read the plans very carefully because it's going to be handy for you in the future. So tap on this view more card details and any of the card that you would like to sign up for. Afterwards, you can see for this card you have to book an appointment regarding of the confirmation. They have to check on you if you are allowed and to if you have the qualification for you to apply for that particular one. And you can see now, you can see if you're existing customer, it's easy for you. If it's a new customer, you can tap on that and sign up their create your account for Scotiabank, including the credit plan for your student. Otherwise, if you would like to go with another line, you simply have to tap on that credit card and tap on apply now or book appointment according to the card preference you will get from the Scotiabank itself. Go ahead, tap on it, and you will be able to apply for that. This is a simple process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.